you know when you put a little too much, I mean, there's no such thing as too much highlight, but once it starts reflecting with the sun, then you like, nah. Good morning, or why do I keep saying good morning? Like, y'all really gonna watch this in the time? It is currently for me 11:31, which is probably why I still have on my bonnet. I don't have classes, and I actually took off of work for today, and I'm kind of regretting it because technically I was supposed to be out of town, but it's neither here nor there. Things did not work out that way, so here we are. I guess my goal was to do a vlog for you guys, but it just did not work out like that because I didn't leave. There was really no reason for me to make a vlog. And so all I do is work. So I thought that the vlog would be nice, you know, for out of town. Today what I wanted to do was share with you guys my new hair, give you my honest review on it, and I don't know, probably give its life course, and like how long I think that it's gonna last. Because with me personally, I like to change my hair a lot, whether it be a wig. If not, like, honestly, I keep my braids for a couple days. Not a couple days, but like 2, maybe 3 weeks, because the way my hair is.
Excuse you, my voice just got all crazy.
The way my hair is, it does not like to stay in braids at all. So like even crochet braids, it just, like, my braids are a few days old and they look crazy already, I feel like. But yeah, so here we go. The name of this hair is Bohemian Curl by Freetress. It's like the bag is like purple and gold or something like that. And I really wish I saved the thing for you guys, but here I'll just insert a little picture. But yeah, so I got this hair, what, Thursday of last week? Today is Monday. So Thursday of last week, I put it in Friday evening. And there's a little bit of shedding, which you should expect with any crochet hair. It doesn't matter what kind you get. A little bit of shedding. It does get big very, very quickly. And, which, I mean, if you like it, then you like it. I used 3 bags, and I didn't even use a complete 3 bags because it's very full. And it's not that I don't like it full, don't get me wrong, because it's beautiful, but it just, the curl pattern that it is and the way that the hair is, I don't think that, I think you can really get away with 2.5, maybe 3 packs, unless you like shaved it down, because this one's a 20-inch. So I didn't cut it. Usually I would cut it in half, but I was like, you know, I want to see how it is if it's long. And this is pretty much it. Very bouncy. I love that. It has a lot of character, which I'm really digging. But like, alright, so why is my voice like acting up? Alright, so with this hair mainly is like, that happens a lot, which I mean is expected. Alright, so here's what I wanted to show you guys, really. The front. So I put a few in the front, but what you have to do with this hair is take it apart. Now the con with this is that when you separate the strand, it comes in a thicker strand, but once you separate the strand, there's like little red pieces. I don't even know what it is. It looks like fabric, but it's not. It's like little red balls, little red or white balls at the end of the strip. It's whatever like adhesive that they use to keep the curl together. It's whatever that is that then comes apart once you try to take the strand apart. What you could do also, but you're still gonna get that, is just put the entire strand in and then separate it when you're done. I think that's the easiest, because if you don't, then it's gonna get crazy. Like, before I even started, I was separating pieces because I was used to using the Water Wave by Freetress, and I rocked that all the time when I was in like 7th and 8th grade, but that's neither here nor there. So before like Crochet braids even came back out, yeah, I've been doing it. But I separated it and it just started getting crazy. Like there was really no curl to it, and I don't usually separate them like just forcefully. I usually take a little bit of, I used to use this other gel, but I took a little bit of Iwill styler gel and like massaged the ends almost, and like kind of pulled them apart by there, and then fully pull them apart. And that's the smartest way to do it, because if you don't, it's gonna come apart and it's gonna end up looking like that, and you're not gonna have any curl. You can possibly put the curl back in there, but it's not gonna be the same as this. And this is really pretty. If you know how to style it, it's beautiful. If not, you're gonna kind of be lost, but it's nothing that you can't get over. It's nothing that you can't, you know, figure out, or the trial and error essence in trying to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. Alright, so here's what I usually do to this hair when I get ready to go, only because I feel like I usually try and pick it apart a little bit. And like I said, mousse is probably like your best friend. The mousse will help you get like the single strands that do not belong out of the way. And then usually my go-to style for this, if it isn't the bun, then it's just up and down, like half up, half down rather. And that's just because I feel like that's what looks cute to me. Like this is exactly what I'm talking about. You're gonna want to cut this. If it doesn't come out, you're gonna want to cut that. So I'm gonna have to cut that because I didn't bring my scissors. This is what I don't like. That's really what I don't like. But while I'm separating it, I'll usually just put the mousse on there. Do a finger comb. If you have curly hair, like natural hair, then you know, the finger combing method does work. What this also does is kind of makes it bigger, which kind of works in your favor too. Like I said, if you like that look. And it also doesn't, so the curls will just go all together, because that's really not cute. You want to have your single curls and have them look good. Now it looks really nice, but I think it's maintenance that you really have to worry about, because I don't think this is really a hair for people that like want to do like the just shake and go. It does say shake and go on the package. You could shake and go, but I don't really know if that's what you're gonna like. Cause I think that it gets frizzy, like it gets frizzy so quick. Like honestly, I kid you not, the very next day, I went out. I'm like, hey guys, like talking to my grandmother and my mom and my brother. I'm like, hey, you like my hair? My brother goes, it's really frizzy, but I like it. And I'm like, excuse me then. But I mean, the frizziness, like I said, it's not terrible. My natural hair is frizzy, and well, it can get frizzy, I'll say that. And my curls are actually pretty close to this. It's actually the spot on curl for my hair is the Water Wave by Freetress. Spot on, kid you not. But yeah. take some Equal Styler gel, wrap it around the ringlet, or like pull it down like you would, like, you know, when you, well, this is what I do. I don't even know what it's called. Like, when I condition my hair, I usually run it through like that and then finger comb it. You can do that with this hair, with the Equal Styler gel, but you have to be very, very cautious that you're not overdoing it, because that curl can possibly never ever come back, and now you have a lot of product in your hair for nothing. So it's kind of the trial and error. The trial and error is for everything, which is really sucky. But overall, this hair is pretty good. I do like it. I've had it in not a week yet, but it's been a few days, and you guys see how big it is already. So just imagine in a week or 2 weeks time, I'm gonna have to chop more into it. It's still gonna be nice. Hopefully it still stays full, but we'll see. Like I said, I do want to make a progress video in about a week or so, or around the time that I get ready and take this hair out, just so you guys can see how it is afterwards, after manipulation, after the buns. Like, usually when I go to work, I work with geriatric patients, and I also work with children. I feel like it's better for me to keep my hair out of my face or out of, you know, my workspace. Coming out of a bun, you guys seen, it was fine. It came back to life after a little bit of mousse. I didn't even mousse the entire thing. I just moussed what I felt needed in most, and it's fine. I like it. I think some of you guys will like it. If you do have any other questions regarding this hair, please let me know. I will try and keep you guys updated. If you do follow me on Instagram, I'll more than likely post pictures. And I can keep you guys updated there too. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I'll keep you guys updated there too. Yeah, I really do thank you guys for watching, tuning in. This is such a strange video because, I don't know, it's not, I did want to at least talk about the hair, the longevity. I don't think it's gonna last that long, but like I said, I do want to keep you guys updated on how far we come in its use for me, but it could be different for you, especially if you like your hair to be bigger. And like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out if I kept it for 3+ weeks, and I don't usually keep my crochets that long anyway. If you guys want to know any more things that I did not speak about during this video about this hair, please let me know. Do not hesitate to message me. Do not hesitate to comment below. I have no problem answering questions. Again, I am gonna give you guys feedback on the results within the next coming week and so on. But I do thank you guys definitely for tuning in. I thank you guys for watching another video of mine. If you guys think that I should improve something, have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to say, let me know. You guys feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe too. I'm watching you.